In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your hood strut. Let's get started. I have this hood support rod here because as soon as I take this off, most likely the one on the other side is not going to be able to support the whole hood by itself, and I don't want to have to hold it the whole time. So I'm putting this here ready to go. To get this off, you have this clip here that you can pry open with a pocket screwdriver, a pick, whatever you have. Pry this out, lift on the hood, and that should allow you to pop this piston free, just like that. And at the bottom, sometimes you can get away by just prying this out like that. Perfect. Wipe off any debris that is on this mounting area. Take the new one, snap it in, just press it into place, and do the same up top. I'm going to have to turn this a little bit. I'm going to have to lift on the hood, press it into place. There you have it. Now I recommend doing the other one as well. That way they're both equally as strong and will last a long time.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.